So in this video today we are going to show you how to reset LG TV. So it is quite a simple process. You can use your remote in order to reset your LG TV. So first press before proceeding, so this is the LG TV Magic Remote. So you have to press settings from here. As you can see, this is the button for settings. So you have to press this once. So as you can see, the menu has popped up on the right side. So just scroll down, go to all settings. So as you can see now, the full settings menu has popped up. So now move to general, then proceed for reset to initial settings. So this is the option that you need to choose in order to reset this LG TV to factory initials. So let's press it. So it will ask for password if you have set any password in order to change settings. So just repeat that password over here. So now press OK. So it will give you a warning, as you can see. So it will give you a warning like resetting will delete all your account settings and installed apps. So in order to proceed, you need to press OK. And if you want to back up some data or anything else, just don't proceed right now, as it will remove all the data and apps and account details. So when you reset, all the settings will be as per if you are getting will be like a brand new TV. So make sure to back up any accounts or anything else while resetting the LG TV. So that's it from this side.